In 10 sentences, let us discover the incredible power of a simple human sneeze. A sneeze is just your body's reflex to clear irritants like dust or pollen from your nose. It feels fast, but most people might guess it's only as fast as a strong cough. In reality, it is one of the most forceful and high-speed events your body can produce. But here is the mind-blowing part. When you sneeze, the air and tiny droplets can explode out of your body at speeds up to 160 kilometers per hour. That is as fast as a Category 2 hurricane's wind, and it's why it's impossible to keep your eyes open during this violent reflex. This force is also strong enough to send that spray of germs flying across an entire room, so that simple achoo is actually a powerful, high-speed blast. Follow to discover more of science in 10 sentences.